Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How's the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. And the day above and I under y'all is a blessed day. Now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing. Come on. We're gonna mukbang. Y'all welcome back to another mukbang / burp show. Y'all please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right. Y'all, I'm gonna just go on and burp this out. I have no sugar, no calorie, Diet Coke. So let me just go on and swallow this. And yeah. This is very carbonated. Ooh. Hold it. Oh my. Ooh. Ooh. Okay.
Like I smelled that burp.
I'm glad you did. Y'all heard that? Hope you did too. Oh, I don't know my burps. Like, I swear they don't want to come out. Not the way I want them to, at least. That sucks. Sean, turn that down. Y'all, I just realized what was on.
You look like you really enjoy burping.
I do. I do. I enjoy it a lot. You feel so good when you get done burping. Yes, it feels so good. Y'all, I'm gonna start to put out a video Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday for right now because I have a lot of things that I'm doing in the making. So,
Wow.
well, what?
I really feel like I smell it.
You smell it? Oh, that means that was a good one. I just ate. y'all some more. See those? Now, I have a lot of pressure build up down there, so it's gonna explode sometime.
Sometime today.
Sometime tonight. Where you going?
I'll be right back. Oh, Ben?
Y'all, it's down there. It's gonna come up soon. It need to come up. Oh, I needed to come up. It's like, man, what's waiting on? I don't know what's waiting on. But y'all, I got OMG, I just don't want to give it away. You know, it's so much I want to tell you, but I'm not going to tell you till after the fact. Foodie fam.
Wow.
I'm so tempted, but no. No. I want to so bad. Ooh. Well, I ain't gonna try to fight with these things tonight. I will see you all Wednesday.